Well, hi. This is part of my challenge to myself. I'm going to call this the 30-day video challenge. Challenge to myself to produce one video per day for the next 30 days. So this is day 2. So what I'm going to talk about is something I've been learning, and that is in the area of time management. This is actually part of a 21-day time management challenge that Joanne Kaminsky has provided. And it's a course that I'm taking. This is actually day 2, which is defining your priorities. How do you define your priorities of what you need to do for any particular day? So the first thing we want to do is look at our goals, and our priorities are going to be based on our goals. So I have to ask myself, what are my goals? Have I written them down? So the first thing I'm going to do is write them down, and then look at which ones are the most important, which categories are the most important. Well, for me, health has to be number one, because if you don't have health, then that makes it difficult to do all the other things. Morning ritual, that is something that I make as part of my morning ritual, because otherwise I might get too involved in my day and then not ever get it done. Another thing is to come up with a mission statement. That is something I'm actually working on right now, and that has to do with empowering students to become successful. And I'll probably talk about that more in a later video. What are my values? What's important to me? Well, for me, the important thing is that I impact students' lives to help them become more confident, more successful, empower them to be all that they can be. That sounds kind of broad, but that's kind of where I'm at as far as what motivates me to do the things that I do. So then we're going to talk about what tasks are most important at this very moment. What's the top priority task? Well, maybe I have a meeting to go to. That would be my top priority. Okay, so I need to also be aware of other categories of goals, such as financial or business goals. I'm going to assign a value to each one, 1 through 5, with you can do 1 being the top priority or 5 being the top priority. I'm going to write down all the tasks I need to do. And for me, it might be things like work on my website, or create some flyers, or contact other tutors and try to help other tutors get connected. So once I write down all the tasks that I have, then I can look and see what is the most important right now. There's another thing called the Eisenhower principle, where you decide, is this important? Is this urgent? Sometimes things that are urgent are not important. And sometimes things that are important are not urgent. So just a few thoughts to think about. And this is my second video of my 30-day challenge to do 1 video per day. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day.